So now I believe that you have created your profile. And moving next, let me show you how to log into your profile. Click here in the login option. So once you click that, here you will be asked to enter your email ID, and then please do enter your password. In case if you have forgotten your email ID that you have linked or your password, please do write an email to info@iapsindia.net, or do reach out to us via WhatsApp at 9901556504. We'll help you to resolve that technical issues, or resolve the issue of not able to logging in, as well as we'll refresh your memory with your login ID and password. So now once it is done, click submit here. Here you go. This is your profile. And here, all that you have to do is click on My Courses. So once you click, you'll get this paid courses. The, all the courses that you have registered will be appearing here. Okay, so I have registered in the portal certificate course in consumer law, certified legal technology and innovation analyst, certificate course in advertising laws and compliance, certificate course in music law. So all the courses will be appearing here. First, now let me show you how to enroll for a specific course. Click on course and choose the course that you would like to enroll on. Now, certificate in legal literacy, diploma, and all other things. So I would be enrolling myself in certificate course in legal literacy. All that I have to do is click on view details. In here, I'll be able to find all the details like how the session is going to be, the course outcome. Again, I have the curriculum, module 1, module 2, module 10, and also I have the profile of the mentor. And here I can get a brief like what is the duration, how many lectures, what is the language it is. And now I'll click on proceed to payment. Though this is a free course, I have to click on proceed to payment. So now once it is done, it is asking me to verify my details. So I'm clicking on enroll to the course. You have successfully enrolled to the course. You will be redirected to my courses page. Okay. So now you are redirected to this page. Just in case if you're not redirected, you can click here on my courses and you can come to this page. So now here I have this course, certificate course in legal literacy. I'll click on view details and here I can find it. Okay. So now here click on this view course. In the view course, I can find all the videos, all the sessions that have been uploaded. Okay, so this is how the portal looks like. So all that you have to do is click on this video, play it, and here view PDF, you can find the study material. So this is how you can access the study material of the course. After this, let me show you the assessment part, which is the final assessment that you have to complete. So once you click on this particular link, you will be navigated to the Google form, wherein you have the questions that are lined up for you. Now, just in case, if you are having assessments for every module, every week, then you will be able to find it in the view course option itself, which we will let you know where to find that one. And then certificate, this is where you will find the e-certificate. So if you have to download your certificate, all that you have to do is click here. Now, as you have the lifetime access for this particular course, any point of time, even if you have misplaced it or you have lost it or by mistake you have deleted it or you're not able to find it at the right moment, even then you can log into your profile and click here the certificate so you can find it here. This is how you are going to navigate this entire portal. And yes, if any for any courses, if you have to pay the money, then you will be taken to the payment gateway, wherein you will have to do the payment with the help of the either card, Google Pay, or any UPI for that matter, and also credit cards, debit cards. So you have all the other options available apart from that of the cash payments, because this is all online and this is all virtual. I hope this is clear to you. Now, let me show one more course at a certificate course in consumer law and practice. Mind me, please click here on view details. So you'll be navigated here and here click on view course. and you will be shown with all the videos. Okay, so this is how you are accessing the accessing the portals. Now, just in case if you face any issues or any trouble, please do let us know and we will try to resolve your issue at the earliest. So now once you're all done with your courses, or if you wanted to access any materials and all other things, then you can log out our profile. Like click on the log out option and there you go. You are logged out. So we suggest you and also advise you to keep your portal logged out because that has a lot of confidential information and the courses which are exclusively assigned to you. So please be mindful regarding the same. And yes, so this is all about the website and how do you log in and how do you access the course material. And also, if you have any questions or any concerns, please do let us know in the comment section, or else you can even reach out to us via WhatsApp. Also, if you have any recommendations or any suggestions which we can incorporate in the website for the betterment and easy study or enriching the study experience of the students, you are always welcome and we would look forward to you. We literally we manifest your presence in this particular video. Like, once again, thank you for watching, and for more informative content, please do follow or please do subscribe to the channel Indian Institute of Industrial and Professional Studies. Now that you have created your profile, you have learned how to log in and all of the things, I do wish you a very happy learning experience.